All right, now we get to take the surface area of a cylinder. So if you think about flattening it out, we would have shapes that look like this. We'd have our circle on the top, circle on the bottom, with our rectangle in the middle. And so we could, let's change this around a little bit. So we know the area of this guy is pi r squared. That one's pi r squared, because we know how to find the area of circles. But we do need to find the area of this rectangle. So a rectangle, usually we say we've got base times height. Now, if we go through and look at our picture up here, and we say that we need to start plugging things in, well, we have a radius up here of 20, well, a diameter. And so we could say, well, we've got pi times the radius would be 10 squared plus, we've got, so that would be for that one. And we've got another one of those, pi 10 squared. Now we got to take base times height. Problem is they don't really give us what that b would be. They don't give us what this side would be. Luckily, we know that that side would line up around this little circle up here. And that little circle up there is the circumference. So circumference is pi times diameter, or we could also say that it's pi times 2 radius. Okay, either way you write it, that is what our b would be, because it lines up around that circle. So as we go to look at how we find our surface area, we've got our circle, and now we need our rectangle. So if we have pi times 2 times the radius times the height, because that is how you find, this is pi times 2r. So we're taking base times height. Okay, now I left h in there, but really we have it, it's right here. So we can come up here and say, well, I actually know the height. We can grab that and just say that we're going to times that by 20. And so we can add all those together. I get 100 pi for the next one. So 100 pi here, 100 pi here. And then find this guy down here, which would be 400 pi, which is 600 pi. And then you could plug in and find what 600 times 3.14 is. Get my calculator. So 600 times 3.14 is 1884. Centimeters squared. Okay, so a lot of times you will see that written as 2 pi r squared plus 2 pi r h, which is essentially what this is. We've got 2 pi r squareds and then 2 pi r h. But where it comes from is our circles area and then a rectangle. So that's how you find surface area of a cylinder.